You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Whoa, this is such an interesting word. Look at this. It's beautiful. I mean, it's really kind of confusing looking at it, but pronunciation is pretty straightforward. Catastrophizing, that's your British English pronunciation here. Sometimes it's spelled with a Z as the last S here. That's the American pronunciation, spelling. Catastrophizing, now the Americans, talking about them in the US, say it as catastrophizing. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.